Hello, everyone. There is a girl. There is a girl. Her name is Anna. Her name is Anna. Anna is a polite girl. Anna is a polite girl. Anna is at home. Anna is at home. Anna says, please. Anna says, please. Anna gets the water. Anna gets the water. Anna says, thank you. Anna says, thank you. Anna is at school. Anna is at school. Anna needs a pencil. Anna needs a pencil. Anna says, please. Anna says, please. Can I have a pencil? Anna says, please. Can I have a pencil? Anna gets the pencil. Anna gets the pencil. Anna says, thank you. Anna says, thank you. Now, Anna is at a grocery store. Anna is at a grocery store. Anna needs help. Anna needs help. Anna wants a box on a high shelf. Anna wants a box on a high shelf. Anna says, please, can I have some help? Anna says, please, can I have some help? Anna gets help. Anna gets help. Anna gets the box. Anna gets the box. Anna says, thank you. Anna says, thank you. Anna smiles. Anna is a polite girl. Anna is a polite girl. Anna says please. Anna says thank you. Anna says please. Anna says thank you. Okay, that is all for now. Bye-bye.